What are the benefits and also the challenge of using the technology, especially the projection and also the 360-degree view technology to create an interactive area? This case, we are talking about to simulating the rainforest in Indonesia. Okay, welcome everyone. In this episode, let's talk about the benefit and the challenge of creating or recreating the experience of going to rainforest with the technology. Okay, what are the benefit, guys? Okay, first thing first, technology, especially to recreating an experience of the natural experience, is offers an a realistic one, and it also can be an engaging one. By employing a high definition image and also the videos, the audience is virtually transported into the heart of the rainforest itself. The vibrant colors, the intricate details, and also the lifelike movement of the flora and fauna it could be created to get a sense of immersion that makes the audience feel like, oh yeah, they are right there in the forest. Secondly, the experience is should be goes beyond more the entertainment, with of informative and also the narrative and also the captivating visual of creating it. It will deepen the audience understanding of the rainforest, the ecological in person. It could be also used as a medium of education. They can learn about the delicate balance of the ecosystem, the interdependence of the species, and also the significance of biodiversity. These educational aspects will serve as a powerful tool to inspire an action for rainforest protection and conservation. So, creating a simulation, it's not just a simulation itself, it could increasing the education, also the awareness for a whole nation. Okay, and lastly, interactivity and also the exploration are the key features of this technology. Viewers are not a passive observers, guys. They can become an active participant in their journey through the rainforest. They could choose a different viewpoints and also they could follow the lives of the animal that's simulated in the rainforest. They can understanding their behavior and the challenge. And those interactive element, it will empower the audience to create their rainforest experience and making it personalized. And also they could have a memorable one. But there are also some challenges, guys. Okay. First, to recreate something complex like a rainforest, we will have, of course, the technical complexity that involving to create the immersive experience. It will be a significant hurdle to implement. To achieve the level of realism that we want to desire to design, a vast array of sophisticated equipment, of course, it will be required. It will be including the high quality projectors, the camera, sensors, computers, and also the sound system, all of which this demand is substantial for creating this kind of experience. Moreover, we are talking about regular maintenance, also the calibrations, because we need to make and ensure the technology operates seamlessly and deliver a seamless experience for the audience. And the second thing is, while the technology can providing a compelling visual experience, technology it still has its limitation in capturing the full realism of the rainforest. The full visual and auditory experience may not fully replicate the intricate details of the nature. The smell of the rainforest, the feel of the damp earth underfoot, the sounds of the wildlife itself. These sensory elements are challenging to reproduce through the technology. Okay, as advanced as the technology is, it cannot fully replace the genuine connection with the nature that if the audience is coming to the physical rainforest. Okay. And lastly, we have also ethical and legal consideration must be taken into the account throughout the entire process. The use of rainforest image will raise a question of intellectual property and also cultural rights. It will be imperative to respect the right of the indigenous community and also obtaining a proper permission and consent from a stakeholder before showcasing their sacred and also ecologically valuable environments. Additionally, guys, portraying the rainforest accurately with the sunset is crucial to avoid any misinterpretation or harm to environment and also its habitat. But we need to be ensure if the benefit is outweigh the challenges in terms of educating the public, it would be worthy to implement. And what are the conclusions that we could take? As we come to end of our discussion, let's recap some of them. By utilizing technology, yeah, we can offer an immersive experience that captivate audience with the educational and also this inspiring content. The benefits will be including a realistic and also engaging journey, a deeper understanding of rainforest ecology, and also the freedom to explore and interact with the virtual rainforest environment. However, guys, we need to acknowledge the challenge of the technical complexity, limitation in realism, the ethical consideration, and yeah, by addressing this challenge responsibly, it will amplify our conservation efforts and also instill a sense of responsibility for protecting Indonesia's invaluable rainforest. And of course, we need to conserve the real rainforest in Indonesia, not only recreating it through technology. Thank you for joining us in the discussion. Let's work together to preserve and also appreciate the beauty and the significance of our natural world. Together, I think we can make an impact to protecting Indonesia rainforest, the real one, and the planet as a whole. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. See you on the next video.